to adding and subtracting fractions. So, you're thinking, one of the most important things is the denominators are the same. You see, in this problem, they aren't the same. How do you make them the same? Well, you know in 5th grade, you think it was important for common factors? It makes it incredibly important. So you make a little chart. Eventually, you'll be good enough to do it regularly, like in your head, like I do. But you still sometimes have to make the chart. So 4 and 2. Then you list the common factors, which will be 4, 2, 4. Bingo, we got a common factor. So that would be on the second one. So times 2 this. So I normally just do this, do the thing, and then change it to 2 fourths, which is in total 3 fourths. You're thinking, but one of the most important ones is whatever you do to the denominator when you multiply, you always use the numerator. If you don't do that, you are going to fail. So let's start with some examples. So, this one. You see the denominator. First of all, you have to check, are the denominators the same? No. So, you just scribble it out. Put your thing, which in this case would be 2, 6, which is, guess what? 5, 6. Also, don't forget to simplify. It's simplifying with like where you get it to the smallest thing. So I'm going to do an example. 4 eighths. Now, that is a half. So you're thinking you could divide it by 2 still. So you divide it by 2. Now you just divide it by numbers that are both compatible with. And normally it would stop when one's uneven and one's odd or even, or both ways around. So in this case, it would be 1 half. Wait, it's not even, never mind, 1 half will be like, I said but this case actually by 4. Sometimes you do make mistakes. Remember, this is not easy. Then it'll be, so we eventually be 1 half. So, 2 fourths, 1 fourth. So, the denominators are already set, so it's simple. Just doing the numerators. Heads up, your denominator is always the same. You don't add your denominators. Because I'll show you here. 1, 4. This is like a third, okay? This is a third right here. If you add the denominators, it would be 6. So you might not think this is important, but if you do add the denominators, when you add it in, guess what? It will be smaller, so that is a big window. So 1/3 plus 1/6. So scribble out the thing. Put the correct answer. In this case, will be 2, 6, which is 6, which is equivalent, which is equal to 1 half. Now 5, 6 minus 1/5. This is one of the harder ones that you have to. 6 goes 30 by 5. Yep. It'll be 6. So this would be times 6. Times 6 times 5. Which, school this out. This would be 135 and then 30 over 30. And this would be 30 over 6, which it is 19 over 30, which is, since this is odd and this is even, you don't have to simplify. So in your head you should be saying comment, is it? So what do 7, 8 share in common? This actually, they share 42. Actually, this should be 8. Never mind. It should have been 8. Because I'm not going that far in lesson. And, 8. And this will be 3. 8 over 3, which is odd and even. This has been Samuel Berry. Bye.